Imagine a single drop of oil offering relief from toothaches, calming irritated skin, and even transforming your self-care rituals. That's the hidden power of Eugenol oil, a naturally occurring compound with therapeutic benefits that stretch across centuries and cultures. Extracted primarily from clove oil and certain spices, Eugenol has long been treasured in traditional medicine. But modern science is finally catching up, confirming what holistic practitioners have known for ages: Eugenol isn't just a pleasant aroma, it's a potent healing agent. At the core of its magic lies its antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and anesthetic properties. Let's begin with dental health. Eugenol is a star ingredient in many over-the-counter toothache treatments and dentist-formulated products. It doesn't just dull pain, it actively fights bacteria, helping prevent infections and soothing inflamed gums. It's even used professionally in temporary dental fillings and mouth rinses. Move from your mouth to your skin, and the benefits continue. Eugenol's antioxidant and antimicrobial powers make it an effective natural remedy for acne, fungal infections, and minor skin irritations. When diluted properly, it becomes a go-to oil for glowing, balanced skin without the harsh side effects of synthetic chemicals. But the impact of Eugenol goes beyond physical symptoms. Its calming aroma plays a major role in aromatherapy, reducing stress and enhancing mental clarity. Used in diffusers or massage oils, it promotes emotional balance and supports restful sleep, a crucial aspect of holistic wellness. Practicality meets nature when Eugenol oil is incorporated into your home routine. Whether added to your toothpaste, mixed into facial oils, or used in your diffuser, this oil proves its versatility. Just remember, potency matters. Always use high-quality, properly diluted Eugenol oil and consult with a health professional for personalized guidance. In a world flooded with synthetic solutions, could the ancient wisdom of Eugenol oil be the natural boost your wellness routine needs?